Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate year-ended aging report in Fresa application. So initially you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Accounts module. Here we have to choose General Accounts tab. In this page, we can see here the year-ended aging report. Click on it. Now fill the COA. Fill the from date. If you want to get report for a particular brand, then you can choose here. Otherwise, click on submit button. Now the report will get generated. Click on options. Here we can see the download option available. If you want to download the report, then you can click on it. Now choose the format. The report will get downloaded. If you want to add this particular page as your favorites, then you can click on favorites button provided here. If you open the report, then we can view the preview of the report downloaded. Hope now you got an idea on how to generate year-ended aging report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.